IVM.
Did you know that you can just download Cred and let it take care of your credit card bills? You really can. It gives you reminders when you're approaching your due date, looks for hidden charges on your bill, and even gives you some kick-ass rewards and cashback. It really pays to be good. Just download Cred. Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashton Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with impossible things. Did you know that as little as a few centuries ago, it was believed that if humans traveled faster than 80 kilometers an hour, they would die? The belief was that it was impossible to travel faster than that speed. We think about it now and laugh, but when the first car to reach those speeds was invented, that was a great fear. It was believed that the person would not be able to breathe at that speed, or their heads would explode. It is crazy just how many things we believe is impossible, till suddenly one day it became possible. Like flying or the light bulb. Things that we take for complete granted now were once things that were impossible. I remember I was in college and a family friend came up to me and told me how he knows scientists that are working on a phone where if someone calls you, you can see the picture of them on the screen. And he said, Ashton, one day when your girlfriend calls you, you will see her picture. And I laughed at him and I said, that was impossible. First of all, a phone with a color screen was impossible, let alone one that showed a picture. And in my lifetime itself, we've done things that were thought impossible. Zoom meetings that we hate and take for granted right now were a technology that was used only in the fanciest boardrooms. I remember going to these boardrooms and wondering, wow, imagine having people from all over the world joining in for this meeting. And back then, each minute of those calls was over 1,000 rupees. It was crazy expensive. Thinking that I would be setting up meetings and conducting workshops for people sitting in Ireland and Europe, all the way from my farm in Karjat, that was impossible. I know people who use the word impossible all the time. It is part of the normal speech. The problem with using the word impossible is that it does multiple things. Firstly, it shuts the door for making anything possible. By this I mean, when we believe that something is impossible, we stop trying to do it. We give up even before we begin. And like I always say, starting is more than half the battle won. The second thing that happens is that once we dismiss it as impossible, we forget about it and move on to something else. So it is forgotten altogether. The final thing that happens when we say the word impossible is that we stop using our imagination. And this is the biggest crime. Because our imagination is the tool we need to be able to visualize and plan, to be able to see into the future. It is the tool that we use to dream. Everything that was once believed to be impossible but exists now started off as a dream that someone turned into a reality. They saw into the future and believed that it was possible. They took steps, worked backwards till they made it happen. Being able to visualize the future is the key to making the impossible possible. And what does this have to do with you and your life? You must be wondering, I'm not inventing something fancy. I'm not doing this. I'm not doing that. But the point is that we keep jumping to conclusions. Like, I will never be a professional pastry chef. I will never have $1 million. I will never own a Ferrari. All these things are things we feel are impossible. And they're impossible only because we don't know how to do it yet. And yet is that key word. Right now in the present, you can't do it. But imagine that in the future you can. Imagine that it is possible in the future. Then figure out what you need to do to achieve it. Imagination is powerful. Don't shut it down by saying this silly word, impossible. So your super simple habit to have the life of your dreams starts by never using the word impossible again. Instead, start using words like future possible. You will slowly start believing that it is possible. And if nothing else, remember, if Tom Cruise can do it, so can you. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashtin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME180. That's Awesome180.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank the sponsors on the network this week, Cred, TheWholeTruthFoods.com, PayPal, and Seat Tires. We really do appreciate the support. So the last year's been tough for all of us, and the second wave of COVID really hit us badly. To help those affected by the pandemic in India, the podcasting community has come together under the Pod for Change banner to raise funds through an exclusive NGO partner, Give India. Join IVM and Pod for Change as we look to make a positive impact in the life of those affected by COVID-19. You can go to tinyurl.com/podforchangeindia, and remember, somebody could really use the help. And now back to the promo. On the Simplified podcast, the gang explains the oxygen crisis happening in the country and tells us the various measures being taken to tackle it. On States of Anarchy, Hamsani Hariharan talks about how the geopolitical relationships shaped COVID response and the world order. As Indians, we're all familiar with acid reflux or heartburn, given the spicy food we consume. On The Habit Coach, Ashton has some simple solutions to counter that. Osama Moria explores the iconic neighborhood of Dadar and tells us its connection to outer space in Postcards from Nowhere. It was Dangle time on The Fighting Goat, as hosts Somesh and Arjun were joined by unbeaten MMA fighter and Commonwealth gold medalist Ritu Fogart. The traveling professor Siddharth Deshmukh shares examples of various innovations that came up during the COVID times and helped us deal with the situation. And with that, we hope to see you again next week.
Hi, I'm Zarina Poonawalla, host of the Empowering Series podcast on the IVM network. I happen to be a peak performance coach and leadership coach by profession, and I'm here to share with you productivity tools, life-altering techniques, and real-life hacks to help you achieve your maximum potential in everything you do, your relationships, professions, careers. So tune in every Monday to unleash your inner power. Be safe, be well, be empowered.